Hi all, Ryan Watson here, Modern Fold Chicago. Imagine designing a space where every square foot matters, maximizing height and minimizing costs are paramount. That's exactly what we did on a recent project with Skyfold. We didn't rely on traditional structural steel to support the weight of the Skyfold system. Instead, we looked up to the underside of the concrete deck. Obviously, with a structural engineer's review and approval, we wound up attaching the Skyfold hardware directly to the underside of the deck, utilizing the deck itself as the means of support. This wound up becoming a win-win, saving costs for would-be structural steel and also maximizing our ceiling heights in the space. All right, now it gets a little interesting. We had some existing MEP that we had to contend with above the ceiling. We had a couple of structural I-beams, we had a medium pressure loop, and we also had a drain pipe that we had to contend with. One of the nice things with Skyfold is it has fewer connecting points back up the structure. That, coupled with some engineering wizardry on Skyfold's behalf, it really wound up working out to where we could accommodate the existing MEP in place and maximize the ceiling height at the Skyfold location. The way we were able to accommodate this was to adjust some of the hanger locations as well as the motor position along the length of the Skyfold wall. The motor also has lifting cables that run from the motor to all the various hangers. Now, to adjust the cable path of travel around the obstructions, we had to use a number of sheaves. Sheaves are basically a fancy word for pulley. The best part, client saved a bundle of money, the MEP didn't have to get relocated, proof that when innovation meets flexibility, spaces can transform and budgets can smile. If you're thinking of innovative, smart, and flexible spaces, let's talk Skyfold. In the world of design, every detail counts.